Namaskar. Come with me. I'll take you to the dream destination that awaits you with all the solutions to your problems. This is Shorno Shilpi Jewelry Manufacturing Hub. It's the name of a dream that will make the jewelry business even more glorious. Around 90 lakh people in India are involved in the jewelry manufacturing industry today, and 60% of them are from Bengal, but their lives are not easy at all. Whoever is attached to this industry, like retailers, manufacturers, and wholesalers, have a tough time running around to get their work done. Shorno Shilpi Jewelry Manufacturing Hub will provide all these people with an opportunity to come back home and work peacefully. It will provide wholesalers, retailers, and manufacturers with an infrastructure where they will be able to purchase materials, design, and manufacture jewelry under one roof. Come, let's see what more waits inside. The basement of this hub will have parking provisions for nearly 200 cars. Along with that, the parkway surrounding the building will accommodate about 500 motorbikes. The ground floor has 125 Duplay offices. This centrally air-conditioned floor will have offices for wholesalers related with the gold industry, banking facilities, bullion shops, provisions for BIS hallmarking and testing, a refinery, machine chain shop, advocates and chartered accountants chambers, medical shop, doctor's chamber, along with a salon and spa, several other facilities that may be availed in the course of the gold trade. This ground plus 6-floored sprawling mansion has 8 high-capacity elevators and 6 staircases reaching up to the top. The building also has round-the-clock power backup facility, free Wi-Fi connection, security, water supply, CCTV camera monitoring, and maintenance. Starting from the first floor to the 6th floor, this mansion houses 200 Duplay units, where the manufacturers will get a host of facilities alongside the infrastructure for manufacturing their products. Some of those will be polishing, chillai, rhodium, die cutting, melting, tarpatta, tartana, enamel, and stone setting. Every manufacturing unit has 3 bathrooms, 1 private balcony, 1 kitchen, and provisions for folding beds in every mezzanine floor. The 15,000 square feet huge terrace of the building will host a sprawling canteen hall capable of catering to 2,000 people and a modern gym. Besides this, computer education, management, and personality development, along with several jewelry making courses, will be taught here. Apart from this, there will be an education center teaching Hindi and English languages. Above everything else, this place assures the traders, workers, and customers an environment of warmth, comfort, and complete peace. Come, let me introduce you to the man whose dream it is to build this jewelry manufacturing hub, Mr. S.S. Alam.
Swarnashilpi is a dream of changing the lives of Goldsmith, a dream of changing the economics of West Bengal. I have this dream because I am part of this trade and I know the problems and solution. There is huge possibility in this field to make this dream come true. Swarnashilpi, Phase 1.
So come, join us in this journey of prosperity and economic success.